this one to here, and it tries to exchange this gene to here. That is the only thing it is doing. Suppose the crossover point is here. Assume the crossover point is here, one for single point crossover. This part, right, the 0, 1 will entirely come here. So here you will get 0, and here you will get 1, and this 1, 1 will come here. This 1 and 1 will come here. That is the thing that is happening in crossover. So in multi-point crossover means you will have more number of crossover points, and you will be exchanging the genes as it is. That gene that is available there on that chromosome will come down, and this gene that is available here will come up. That is what will happen in single point crossover, double point crossover, and multi-point crossover. So it doesn't mean that whether 1 will be converted to 0 only. 0 can be converted to 1 also in binary case. Right? 1 will be converted to 0 or 0 to 1. It is depending upon the value that is available. When the crossover point was somewhere here, and the crossover point was somewhat here, you can see that this 1 has gone up and that 1 has come down, right? When the crossover point was somewhat here, this entire region has come. Both the genes have come down, and both the genes will come up. That is the thing that is happening here. In mutation, but what will happen is 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 1. And in real life, there are other types of crossover, something called arithmetic crossover. If you have a value, something called x1 here, and if you have another value called x2 here, and when you do arithmetic crossover, you have something called a into x1 plus a into b, some other value, right? B into x2 divided by a plus b. So these type of crossovers are also there, right? So on one particular chromosome, you will have A1, B1. On another chromosome, you will have A2, X1 plus B2, X2 divided by A2 plus B2. Like that, arithmetic crossovers are also there. I think Satyapriya madam will be clear on this, right?
Sir, one question is that.
So we'll
Sir, one question is there. How the crossover points are chosen? So how can I choose that particular point the crossover will occur? Or so is it something like that?
Yeah, randomly chosen. No human intervention is there. There will be a random number that will decide that whether the crossover point should come here, crossover point should come here, crossover point should come here, it should come here or anywhere. We are not going to do anything because we are telling that it should naturally evolve as equivalent to that of the natural evolution. Darwin theory is talking about the natural evolution where no human intervention is there. All creatures are evolving. Similarly, here also we should not give bias to any of the genes. If we say that, we randomly say that crossover point should come on this particular location, we are making a bias. That bias should not come. Any genes, let it get exchanged. We should not bother about that. So that the system itself will create a random number, and that random number will decide this crossover location. Is it clear?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay,
yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.